Welcome to the Chiropractic Health Channel, where our goal is to guide you from the frustration and confusion of dealing with pain to vibrant health and confidence about your quality of life in the future. And now, Dr. Wayne Bennett.
Hello and welcome to the Chiropractic Health Channel. I'm Dr. Wayne Bennett. If you have a spine and you'd like to keep it as healthy as possible over the course of your life, the team here at the Chiropractic Health Channel would like to help you as a guide to achieve that goal. We will achieve that goal by offering you important and sometimes critical information to guide you through the process of making important decisions when it comes to managing your health now and in the future. And we do it at no charge. This video presentation will show you how we go about doing that effectively for you. If you plan to achieve high quality of life and vibrant health, you're going to need to surround yourself with a high quality healthcare team. And the center of that team, the major decision maker and the most valuable player on that team is you. Now that can be either good news or bad news because it's your decisions as the most valuable player on that team that will impact the outcome, which in this case will be your quality of life in the future. And if those decisions are bad decisions, you're going to be the villain in that story. If they're good decisions, you'll be the hero. Our goal is to make you the hero. In order to help you perform well as the MVP, we've compiled the wisdom, tools, and advice from hundreds of experts on the subject of chiropractic from all over the world, and we've distilled them into concise and specific answers to questions that literally millions of people ask themselves and others about their health every day. Here on the Chiropractic Health Channel, you will find presentations on a broad array of health topics, all of which are designed to empower you to make important and wise decisions about the management of the most valuable asset that we all have in our lives, our good health. We put these together in what we call patient enlightenment moments, each one designed to help you make wise decisions on very specific topics. Here are some best practices that we recommend when utilizing the Chiropractic Health Channel. You may have been given Chiropractic Health Channel homework assignments by your doctor of chiropractic, who shares your goal of making you a wise decision maker when it comes to your health. Take these homework assignments seriously because they come from someone who knows and cares about your health and knows quite a lot about the topic involved. Use the channel as a general resource. Browse through our presentation titles with health-related curiosity and watch a video whose topic catches your interest. You might be surprised by what you learn. Use the channel as a specific resource. When you have a specific question, look for presentation titles on that subject. Use the channel to reinforce your competence about things you have learned to keep them in practice. For example, if you learn some great stretches or exercises here on the Chiropractic Health Channel and you want to make sure that you're doing them properly every time, then just return to the Chiropractic Health Channel from time to time, review the stretches, and make sure that they're being done properly. You can do this 24/7, 365. If you find something here on the Chiropractic Health Channel that really helps you, and we're pretty sure that you will, then consider sharing that information with someone else in your life who you think might benefit from it. Share the video with a friend, email the link to them, turn them on to the Chiropractic Health Channel with a topic in mind. You never know how much you might impact the life of another person by sharing with them something that's worked for you. Subscribe to the Chiropractic Health Channel. We are continuously updating our channel with new information, seasonal health tips, and more. As a valued subscriber, you will receive notification of all of our new materials as they're released. All you have to do is click the subscribe button below this presentation, and please consider also clicking the like button. Once again, welcome to the Chiropractic Health Channel. We sincerely hope that your life will be enriched by what you learn here. And always remember, you cannot choose which way the wind blows, but you can trim your sails. Today's Health Enlightenment Moment is brought to you through a partnership between the Chiropractic Health Channel and the Bennett Clinics. At the Bennett Clinics, we understand that for most people, dealing with pain can be frustrating and confusing. We often don't know who to trust for advice when it comes to dealing with pain. We solve this problem with a unique approach to patient care that not only addresses the cause of the patient's pain, but empowers them to feel confident that they can control their pain and enjoy life in the future. Combining chiropractic care, physical rehabilitation, powerful lifestyle coaching tools, and more, we help our patients get off the downhill pain management treadmill to nowhere and live the life that they want and deserve. you're not already a Bennett Clinic patient and would like to find out more about how the Bennett Clinic can help you enjoy vibrant health, just visit the Bennett Clinic website at www.bennettclinic.net. You can also follow the Bennett Clinic family on the Bennett Clinic Facebook page. And for many more health enlightenment moments from the Bennett Clinic Chiropractic Health Channel, and to receive all of our new releases, just click the subscribe button below this video.
Dr. Bennett is a diplomate of the American Board of Quality Assurance and Utilization Review Physicians. He's a board-certified chiropractic consultant and orthopedist. Warning: side effects from applying the information in this video presentation may include reduced pain, feeling less grumpy, improved quality of life, and persistent tendencies toward a brighter outlook about the future. This video is intended to be used for educational purposes only and is specifically not intended to in any way diagnose any medical condition or recommend treatments for any specific patients.
It is with great gratitude that we thankfully acknowledge the many mentors, researchers, college instructors, and gifted healers who have contributed to the content of our Chiropractic Health Channel education opportunities. We offer special recognition to those members of the Chiropractic Clinical Compass, formerly known as the Council on Chiropractic Guidelines and Practice Parameters, for their far-reaching, stalwart, and often thankless contribution to the scientific advancement of the chiropractic profession.